The dire wolves are back, baby. Maybe. The dire wolves have been successfully cloned after 10,000 years of being gone. Colossal Biosciences, a U.S.-based biotechnical company, has announced the birth of 3 genetically engineered wolf pups, Romulus, Remus, and Khaleesi, claiming that they are the first dire wolves of the Anennius dryarus species to exist in over 10,000 years. Dire wolves are large canid that roamed the Americas during the Pleistocene epoch. They became extinct about 12,500 years ago, give or take a couple. Now, to achieve this, scientists extracted DNA from ancient dire wolf fossils, about 13-year-old fossil tooth and a 72,000-year-old bone, and then identify key genetic differences between the dire wolves and their closest living relatives, the gray wolves, the Canis lupuses of today. Using the CRISPR gene editing technology, they modified the gray wolf DNA to incorporate the 20 specific traits that the dire wolves have, which is larger size, bigger build, distinct fur characteristics, and the edit DNA was used to create embryos which were implanted into domestic dog surrogates. So they didn't quite clone them. Well, I guess they cloned them. But they were born of a surrogate to have the 3 pups. The problem is, some experts question the validity of labeling these animals as true dire wolves. Since they weren't born of dire wolves, they were just sort of scraped together with DNA and just plopped together. Critics argue that while the pups exhibit certain dire wolves traits, they are essentially genetically modified gray wolves, not actual dire wolves. Dr. Nick Rollins, a pathogenicist, that's a big word, noted that dire wolves and gray wolves diverged about 2.5 to 6 million years ago, which is why they have differences. And the dire wolves, of course, could not survive in their genome, so they died out. But the gray wolves were able to survive. Since they're fairly close relatives, whatever gene will have to go forward for these 3, we'll see what happens. Now, will these pups be able to procreate more wolves on themselves, or will they basically just have a bigger mix? We shall see as the tale of the dire wolves continues.